All right, folks, this is Don with Olmec Reflections. It is a brisk, cool Sunday afternoon, and we have just finished the job for today, a restaurant. Um, so we're gonna do a dirty water dump. And what was interesting for today's work was when I was pulling out of the driveway, um, I looked across into my neighbor, and he was unloading um, a rental carpet cleaning machine. I'm not here to bash those. They have their place and time, but this is a challenge with those. If you happen to rent one, I want you to challenge yourself to fill the container up with your cleaning solution, and I want you to pay real close attention on how much solution that you get back up out of the carpet. So I don't know. I don't use one of those machines. So let's say that machine holds 2 gallons of water. I'm looking to see how much of that 2 gallons of water that you will get back from the carpet. And even our high powered machines that we use don't get it all back. We get about 80% of it. So let's say my tank holds 120 gallons of water, and my dirty water tank also holds 120 gallons of water. So if I empty that whole 120 gallons of solution, I will get back 80% of it. I'll get 80% of it back. So that's what we look for, is to get as much moisture out of the carpet as possible. It makes it dry quicker and stuff like that. So those machines are that's one of their downfalls, is they don't retrieve enough water. And once you put that solution on the carpet and you start breaking down um, the solubles, the dirts and stuff like that, and that detaches, and it won't, suck some of it up, because I've seen some of them get up some super dirty water, but they just don't recover as much. So um, use it if you must, if you want, you know, but that's where the professional comes in with a little bit more high powered machine. We got more products that we can put on the floor for different types of soils, the soluble soils and stuff like that, to break them down so we can retrieve them back. So that's my little spill on the rental stuff. Uh, and as I said, we're going to do a dirty water dump, and you'll get to see some of the new fans. Let me turn it on. I took my carpet certification class this week, and always when you do those, they discount. So I think 10% discount. So I bought, well, there's only 4 boxes there. One of them didn't have a box, so I bought 5 new dry pods. So when we open up the truck, you'll see those. They're already out of the box, so that's just empty boxes. Um, also bought the instructor showed me it was for stains. It was a Conair. It was from Conair. It was a steamer. It was amazing. Back around here. So this steamer was amazing, um, from Conair, Walmart, and put water in it, and it heats up in like 45 seconds. And I was like, oh my goodness. I've got an old wallpaper machine that takes, you plug it in, set it up. It just takes a giant amount of time. And this one will give you the opportunity to see the stain kind of disappear. So you're not covering it up with a rag or anything like that. You're just steaming it, and you can actually physically watch it go, watch it change. Takes the dye out of it, so it's basically still there, but you're taking the dye out of it, so you can't see it anymore. But anyway, we got that machine, a little handheld, 45 seconds to heat up. I mean, plug it in. It's got a pretty long extension cord. I think it was an aisle N21, the location on the aisle, and it's in Walmart. I just ordered mine online. Came the next day. So Yeah, it was a new thing. So let's open this up and dump some water out. Now you gotta pay attention to where you dump your waters and all that stuff. So don't be dumping and stuff like that. It's just, every state is different, so you got to be careful where you're dumping your water at. Anyway, well, actually you can see the fans. So I've got one out on loan. So there's 3, 6, 9, 10 there, and I got one out that a customer that I know had some blood spill, so we had to clean that up, and then we wanted to make sure it was dry, so we dried it. Dirty water. So this will go out into a drain, and it'll go into the sanitary sewer system. So just make sure that you're dumping your dirty water in the correct place. Keeps you out of trouble. So we're going to fill this thing back up and get it ready for Monday morning, and get out there and make some more money. Alright guys, this is Don with Olmec Reflections. If you're living in the Cincinnati area, Westchester, Mason, Liberty Township, give us a call. We'll hook you up and get you squared away, cleaned up. Carpets, hardwood floors, ceramic tiles, you name it, it's on the floors. We can do it. We're doing some amazing stuff with concrete floors also. So give us a call. Look us up online. Our number is 513-817-1700, olmecreflections.com, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Do we do Twitter? I think we're going to, if we're not, we're going to start. So yeah, all those social media sites, check us out. All right guys, have a blessed day. Talk to you later.